Hi! In front of me is Honor X7a, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this device. You need to start by opening Devices settings. In them, scroll down just a bit to access Privacy section. Following that, click on Permission Manager and select one of your device's features that you wish to manage, like microphone. Now pick one of your apps, in my case Booking.com. Then apply the best option for you from the list of available ones. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first one, so when I click and go back, I can see that Booking just gained access to my device's microphone if I'm using it. But you can always just click on one of your apps and tap on See All Permissions at the bottom. Then manage all of them only for your app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!